All right, so how are you guys? Since it's been a while, I've made any video. I thought of starting again with something very popular and very recent. So I've got here Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I've also got Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro that came with this handset. It's not by default, but when you buy Galaxy S25 Ultra, at least for the first month, you get close to about $130 in credit, which you can select some of those Samsung accessories that include Samsung Watch, Samsung Buds, and some of these covers that I have chosen. So this is a silicone case for S25 Ultra, and I have also chosen one of these a kind suit case. I'm not sure about the material. It looks like leather, but not necessarily it's a leather. So to start with, let's open this box and see what we have in here. Typically, these days, Samsung and Apple both are shipping phones along with just the USB cable and the SIM card pin. I doubt that this phone has a SIM card pin, but we'll check it out. So I just received this phone. I pre-ordered it using Samsung website, and I just received this phone in 2 days shipping. So let's check it out. So to unbox it, you have to pull up this sticker from one of the sides and just slide it up, and you can open it this way. So I have chosen this new turquoise green color from Samsung, and I like the color very much. The finish is very different from the existing Galaxy. They have made it more like a chocolate bar form factor, and it looks like they got rid of the buttons and it's more of a touch scheme over here. If you want to change the volume, you can just touch up and down. And oh, actually my bad, this looks like more of a sensor, and here's the volume control and the regular power button. So Samsung designed it more with round edges, a flat form factor, not like those edgy sides which Samsung followed from the days of Galaxy S6 till S25, S24. And this has a cover, so I'm going to remove this cover. Beautiful, very nice phone, and the finish is all matte. The Samsung camera looks very powerful. We'll test the camera in some of the other videos, but for now, let's power it on. Okay, I'm pressing the power button. Yeah, there you go. So this one has a Knox chip. Meanwhile, when it gets powered on, let's check out the covers over here. So I have two covers. I have the silicone case, but I'm more interested in this cover, which is the kind suitcase. So let's check it out. So we have packing over here. Let's turn it over, open the packing, and find out what this cover made up of. It's actually tough. I'll just pull it out and try to open it up. All right, so finally I got successful in opening the package. Okay, there you go. So this is the kind suit cover. It has some very nice bronze finish over here to protect the cameras, and the same with the buttons. This is very beautiful. It has a velvet kind of touch inside, and outside is made of leatherish material. I don't think it's leather, but it's mimicking leather material. Beautifully, it says designed by Samsung, made in China. Nice. Now let's look at the silicone cover. Both of these covers are pretty nice. Okay, there you go. Cool. Okay, there's the silicone cover. This one has a better finish, I would say, but the material here looks more premium than this one. It typically depends on the choice, what you would like, but I would prefer the kind suit cover. Both of these are pretty durable, nice covers. All right, let's see. So this is our box, and we also got the Samsung guide here along with the charging cable, I would say. Yes, so you can see there's a charging cable inside with box, and there's nothing else. And yeah, the SIM changing pen, it's right here. All right, and this is our phone. So I'm going to set this up and probably make another video for you guys to see, compare it with my existing Galaxy, and I'll post my review. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more of these kind of videos, and appreciate my effort of making my own YouTube channel. Thank you so much, audience. Bye for now.